Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where dreams meet horsepower and innovation rolls on four wheels. If you're passionate about luxury, performance, and the machines that redefine the boundaries of travel and style, then you've just found your new home. Today, get ready to experience a motorhome unlike anything you've seen before. This is not just a vehicle. This is Aston Martin's groundbreaking entry into the world of ultra-premium mobile living. Yes, we're talking about the jaw-dropping 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome. The name Aston Martin has always been synonymous with elegance, speed, and exclusivity. But in 2026, the brand has taken a bold leap by blending its iconic design philosophy with the freedom of the open road. The result? A motorhome that looks like a concept car and feels like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. This is a vehicle crafted not just for travel, but for those who believe the journey itself should be a statement. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome, it's impossible not to be stunned. Its sculpted aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, borrowing heavily from Aston's Supercar DNA. The grille is unmistakably Aston Martin, bold, aggressive, and yet refined. The LED light signature wraps around the body like an artistic flourish, giving it a futuristic glow both day and night. But this is no ordinary RV. It's a road yacht designed for those who demand luxury at every turn. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Crafted using premium leathers, sustainable woods, and aerospace-grade metals, the cabin delivers a sensory experience that's pure Aston Martin. The color schemes are bespoke, offering buyers complete freedom to customize everything from seat stitching to lighting mood tones. The lounge area features recliner-style seating, a widescreen OLED display, and a surround sound system tuned in partnership with Bang & Olufsen. The kitchen area redefines motorhome cooking. It comes equipped with a smart induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in wine cooler. The appliances are flush-mounted and voice-activated, blending into the cabinetry when not in use to maintain a sleek, uninterrupted design. Every surface, from marble countertops to brushed aluminum fixtures, feels meticulously considered. The master suite is equally impressive. It features a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, retractable skylight panels, and ambient lighting that adapts to your circadian rhythm. There's also a private ensuite bathroom with a rain shower, backlit vanity mirrors, and high-end fixtures you'd expect in a luxury hotel. Storage is generous, and even the closets are equipped with automatic lighting and climate control. But this is still an Aston Martin, and performance has not been sacrificed. Under the hood, the 2026 motorhome comes with a hybrid V8 powertrain, producing over 600 horsepower. It may be larger than anything Aston has built before, but it's still remarkably agile thanks to all-wheel drive, adaptive air suspension, and rear-wheel steering. The driving dynamics are smooth yet powerful, giving you complete control whether you're cruising on highways or navigating through narrow mountain roads. Tech-wise, this motorhome is packed. You get a fully digital cockpit, AI-powered route optimization, and autonomous driving capabilities for long-haul journeys. The onboard energy system includes a solar roof, lithium-ion battery bank, and plug-in charging options that allow for off-grid living for up to a week. And yes, everything is managed through an app that integrates climate, lighting, security, and entertainment into one seamless experience. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It's for those who won't settle for ordinary, who believe that the thrill of driving and the comfort of luxury should go hand in hand. With only a limited number being produced globally, this is more than transportation. It's a collector's item on wheels, a moving masterpiece that promises to turn heads at every stop. So, if you ever dreamed of merging the prestige of Aston Martin with the spirit of adventure, your dream just rolled into reality. This is Ride Ready Reviews. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the most exclusive rides on the planet. Until next time, keep chasing the extraordinary.